So the creative in Postalytics works kind of like the list function does, in that you can build creative postcards and letters from a whole variety of different ways, and then you save them and use them as templates so that they can be reused across campaign after campaign after campaign. Super fast and easy. I can take an existing template, I can make a copy of it, do some modifications, and then I'm off to the races. So I'm going to move that and move this and make some other modifications, save, proof it, and then use it in a campaign. So we've built, as you can see, this very easy to use drag and drop editor. And let's say I want to add maybe a QR code into this. I can just drop it in. I'll resize it a little bit. And then I'm done. There's a whole bunch of other ways to build templates in Postalytics. First, if you've got a graphic designer that's great at building images in Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, we've got a style guide that you can download with overlays that will put our specs for your designer right into that product. So they can design images, upload them, and then use them in Postalytics templates super fast. We also have a library of pre-built templates. And so these are designed by professional designers, and we've got more coming in all the time. And you can grab any of them, whether they're postcards or letters, and begin to use them. I'll just grab this one. And so now this highlights some of our interesting personalization tools. So as we mentioned, you've got an ability to utilize the data that you import, either from HubSpot or Salesforce, or from files or purchase lists that you've accumulated, and you can drop that data directly into Postalytics. And so you can see I've got a first name variable here. Let's say I want to grab something else. We'll say, I'll just pull this test list we just imported. Maybe I'll drop in the company into this template, right? And so it's fast and easy, just like that, to drop in what we call variable data items. And once you do that, you can modify it in any way. You can change the font, change the color. Right now it's bold, let's make it light. Okay. Lots of tools here to create really powerful direct mail with great copy and great images that you can reuse over and over again. The other thing I'll quickly show you is what we call variable logic. And this is a tool that allows you to use data from your lists to create dynamic content blocks that are displayed to different segments of your audience. So in this case, I'm going to say, all right, state equals MA. I'm going to say Patriots rock, right? You can tell where we're from. And then if I said state does not equal MA, I can say Patriots cheat. And so I'm speaking to audiences in different parts of the country with the words that I know will connect with them. I can even drop images in to these conditional statements. And so if I wanted to have our friend Tom Brady appear for our Massachusetts folks, I can do that. And then I can have, say the quarterback for the Cowboys appear for everybody else. All right, now I've got this block. I can drop in and move around wherever I like. Toggle between the different conditions, style it, change it any way that makes sense. So the editor is a very powerful tool, and it eliminates weeks and weeks of calls and delays, dozens of emails, meetings. Everything is done in one place, one time, and then you can use it over and over again, just like you do with email.